Make that noise you made again. Yeah.
You recorded that, aren't you?
No.
Ay, 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 ay.
Look how big your nose is. Oh, that's your ear. Look at that. A bird can land on that. Yes! Get out of the way! I'm gonna kill you! Oh my god! As it picks up raining. Shut up!
I'm just gonna get a noise complaint.
It's perfectly illegal in London. What? Well, we're not like going through any hardship.
Yeah, it's not till we come home to 87 feet of snow.
Feet of snow.
Piles of snow.
Piles and piles and piles of snow.
I don't know if I'm really walking in my house.
I know I'm not.
Oh, you getting that cab?
I won't run if I have to walk in this. I'll call in sick.
All the lightning's gone.
You're boring. Why can't I see my breath?
Not because it's cold, but because it smells.
No, it's just your secondhand smoke.
Oh, that's what it is.
My lungs.
Oh, good on.
Shut up!
It's not because it's cold. It's probably because it smells.
Oh, it's like it's dumb. You know, little haze coming off the dump. Don't get all frowny at me. You pick on my nose like I pick on your breath.
Well, it's kind of hard to miss.
Also your breath.
Not if I keep my mouth closed. You can't really keep your nose shut. Especially with like... No, but still points out like a...
Yeah, making your cheeks bigger
okay.
doesn't help.
Are you scared? Are you...
Look how small my nose is.
Are you sure that you weren't underground? Are you sure that your nose wasn't the iceberg that sank the Titanic?
That's getting kind of old. That is not that old.
You sure about that?
Mm-hmm. That is. What an exhibitionist.
Asshole! My earlobe. I hate you. Go away.
I'm going now.
Good. Nobody loves you.
Make sure you close your eyes when you're done.